Hi, this is Red, and I typically talk about online loan platforms in this channel or all for short, but today I want to talk about something that's legit. It's actually a powerful tool if managed correctly, and that is a credit card. Today, gusto kong i-share sa inyo na nabigla ako guys because hindi pa yata nagsi 6 months or magsi 6 months pa lang yung gold na credit card ko with BDO, which natanggap ko noong October, and I'll tell you more paano ako na-approve. Dinoble niya na yung aking credit limit. Nakaka-shock kasi ito na yata yung pinakagalante kong credit card in terms of pagbibigay ng credit limit. Kasi Security Bank yun yung pinaka-kuripot, guys. Imagine after 2 years, saka pa siya nag-increase from 66 to 77 na in fact, I always pay my credit card dues on time and in full. Now, and then next is Metrobank na every year nag-i-increase pero medyo conservative din siya, no? So, nabigla ako dito and I was not really expecting this because when I got my gold credit card with BDO, fairly high na rin yung credit limit niya and I was contented. Pero hindi ko na inakala na dodoble yung credit limit ko in just less than a year. Kasi syempre with great credit limit comes great responsibility. So, usually I use it for the perks lang. Kasi maganda yung perks ni BDO like yung kanyang installments, na 0%, pay later, 2 months later ka pa magsa-start, and then 0% siya for the next 3, 6, 12, yung ganun. So, very smooth yung pag-process, especially if nasa partner merchant ka. So, yes, the perks. Now, hindi ko in-expect na in 6 months time lang, dodoblehin niya yung aking credit limit. And I'm really glad that there is such a thing because hindi ko yan minamax out eh. So, kaya nabigla ako. But I do pay my dues in full and on time. So now the question is, paano magkaroon ng credit card with BDO? There are many ways. First, yung pinakamadali is a secured credit card, especially for those na nagsastart pa lang na mag-build ng credit or may bad credit history. You can start with a secured credit card. And ito naman, it's backed by a deposit. So most of the time, sure, approved na yan. But then, say for example, nag-deposit ka ng 10,000, I think yan yung minimum for the secured credit card application. Hindi po 100% like 10,000 yung makiging credit limit mo. But it's a good way to start using a credit card because like I said, a credit card is not an OLA. It is not something na uutangan mo at kakalimutan or puro ka minimum. It is actually an extension of your wallet. It is for convenience and you use it because of the perks. And you build credit. That's why it's better to pay your dues in full on time or mag-installment ka and take advantage of the perks. Another way of easily getting a BDO credit card is that meron kang deposit with BDO and mga 1 year din akong may deposit with a healthy ADB or average balance. And nagulat ako na after a year, naka-receive ako ng email, approve nila ako for credit card and pinadala nila to in 12 business days. Pinick up ko sa branch because there's a slight problem with my address. So, customer service nila was kind of helpful. So, ito, hindi po siya like scam, like bigla ka na lang magkakaroon ng credit card even if hindi ka nag-apply. That is because when you open a deposit account or when you open an account or pag naglo-loan ka sa BDO and then may pinifill out kang customer sheet, there is a certain portion of the forms na pinifill out mo sa BDO na you have to check to, it's like agreeing na i-endorse ka nila for a credit card application, evaluation, and yun, ma-approve ka if they find you eligible. So you actually check that box or uncheck that box kung ayaw nyo. But it happens during the time na nag-submit kayo ng forms. So that's how I got my credit card. And nakwento ko na yan in a previous vlog. Ito po yung thumbnail. And the other way of applying is online. So, merong online application tong si BDO, but you have to, of course, prepare requirements. It's gonna be a lot easier if meron ka ng existing credit card that you can use as a reference. But if you're starting from scratch, you need to be 21 to 60 years old to become a principal card holder at yung supplementary card holder mo naman should be 13 years old para pwedeng magkaroon ng supplementary. The applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines, and minimum gross fixed monthly income requirements is 33,000 pesos. Mine is a gold MasterCard with BDO. Of course, there are other credit cards that you can apply for, and each type of credit card meron po yung requirements, but I'm just gonna go with what I have. So for the Gold MasterCard, there are requirements. Kasama na yun yung valid ID, and yung mga valid IDs na kailangan mo na i-present is Philippine Identification System or PhilSys, driver's license, SSS, something that, a valid ID that bears your picture, your address, your name, yung ganun, and be prepared to submit a TIN. So, employed applicants, you need to submit a copy of your ITR or income tax return or 2316 signed by the employer authorized representative. It is mandatory kung employed ka. Plus, latest full months, payslip, yung ganon. So, for the proof of income for employed applicants, self-employed applicants naman, business owners, yung ganon. Siyempre, latest ITR, kailangan pa rin yung i-present, photocopy of registration of business name, and last 3 months na bank statement, which is optional. What to expect is that after you submit your application, given that your requirements are complete, and you wait for the approval, which usually takes, give or take mga 3 weeks. And then card delivery, card activation. So I think the two easiest ones were this, yung second method was the one that happened to me. Charot. So yun lang. And I think yung BDO kung MasterCard, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's also the same for other people, but among the cards that I have, na ako mismo yung principal card holder, I think si BDO yung pinakagalante mag-increase. So, but then of course guys, it depends on your credit history pa rin. So just make sure na lang that your card is up to date. I mean, you're not behind on your payments. You pay your credit card bills in full. Wag puro minimum. Wag pa late to avoid charges and late fees. And continue monitoring your credit card through the app. So ito yung kagandaan ng credit card. So hindi po siya Ola, but it is an extension of your wallet that you use for convenience po. So it's not something that utangan tapos kakalimutan, or utangan puro minimum. Otherwise malulubog ka. And having a credit card means greater responsibility and greater obligations, kasi mabigat po yung consequence if you're unable to pay your credit card bills kesa Ola. That's why we talk about these things as well in this channel, because syempre, credit card is also part of having utang, so it is something that we also need to talk about every once in a while, whenever there's something to talk about. Anyways, so yun lang guys. Abangan nyo yung other vlogs ko, which is my usual topic. But that's all for today. I'll see you on my next vlog.